Guys, so it's Friday the something of October. My brain isn't turned on yet, so couldn't tell you when. Today is my day off from work, so I'll be going to the cafe to do some uni work and also walking mouse with my sister because she's off as well today, so that'd be nice. And it's my mum's birthday tomorrow, so I need to go make her some birthday shortbread. She's a bit pernickety when it comes to food, so hopefully she likes it. Other than that, I'm probably just going to be chilling out. I've started reading the You series of books, like the weird serial killer ones. Yeah, pretty good. So I might be doing some more of that, or I'm kind of in a bit of a drawing mood at the moment. So I've done like 1.5 pieces in the last week. So yeah, that should be fun to pick up again. I've also downloaded this new software specifically for pixel art called Pixsquare. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really looking forward to using it because it's like designed specifically for pixel art. And I'm pretty sure it's been developed by one person, and it's, I think, like 19 quid, like a one-time fee if you want it. You can make 2 pieces of art with it for free, so it gives you like a really good amount of time to try it out and stuff and see if you like it. So I will probably try doing that later. Well, standoff. Down here. Looks like it's glowing. Ooh. Ooh, and this one, like where the veins are all like orange as well. That's cool. That is cool. ready? I can just do your feet if you like. You sure? Caroline! Right, quick Ellie, tell me how it is.
It's nice.
Run! Hey guys, I always forget how long editing a vlog actually takes. I think I sat down to edit last week's vlog about 5 hours ago. I'm pleased with it, I'm happy it's done, and that's great. I haven't made dinner yet, but I am looking forward to going and making it. I'm actually, as I said in the vlog, I'm basically making that creamy leek Brussels sprout pasta again because it was really, really good. And I also did some baking today, which is always fun. I made, oh, hey, I don't know if you heard that, but the vlog has finished exporting, hooray. Yeah, so I also, because it's my mum's birthday tomorrow and we're taking her out for a meal, but I made her some shortbread as well because she really likes shortbread and hopefully she likes mine. But yeah, I ended up making like an insane amount of shortbread, so I'm going to be eating a lot of shortbread, which is very much not a problem for me. I will do it. Vlog has finished exporting, so I just need to set it to upload to YouTube, and then that should be good to go. And then I'm probably just going to chill for the rest of the evening, to be fair. I'm in the middle of yet another piece of art, so I'm going to work on that and watch some just crap on YouTube and just chill out because I have a whole weekend ahead of me now. Yeah, really looking forward to it. It's been a good week, and I think it's going to be a good couple of weeks as well. Like, I have a lot to look forward to, so yay. It's Saturday morning and I am supposed to be doing more uni work, and instead I have spent the last 20 minutes scrolling on Etsy trying to find pigeon stuff. I love pigeons, fun fact about me. Ah. It looks nice with the dress. Yeah. It is very pigeon themed. It is. Pigeon coded. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so fingers crossed.
Yeah. Oh. Happy birthday to Carol. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Oh. Bless you.
You can make the wish now.
Thank you.
Go away.
Yay! I need a coffee. Oh no, you're all right, don't worry, you can go under. I'm getting those frogs in the window. This is now the coolest thing that I own. Like, 25 quids. Aww.
I've never